Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best putty for nail holes on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best putty for nail holes. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Nail hole fillers are essential products for professional woodworkers and DIY devotees. You use them to conceal minor scratches and fill ugly holes brought about by hardware removal. You can also use real wood putty to fill nail holes and keep your wood floors and furniture elegant for ages. But with so many hole fillers in the market, how do you choose the best putty for nail holes? We're real wood experts who spent hours researching and testing filler for nail holes. We chose each product based on its features, effectiveness, and quality. Take a look. Number 1. 3Mshr 3AIO Putty for Nail Holes. If you need to fill holes up to 3 inches deep, this product could be a superb fit. It makes filling small nail holes a breeze as it makes repairs 3 times faster than traditional vinyl spackling. This product is one of the best nail hole fillers because it makes durable repairs. Once you have used it on wood flooring and other surfaces, it'll take a while before repairing the sections. It won't shrink, sag, or crack. It stays right where you put it, concealing the imperfections excellently. If you have small ugly holes in your walls and other surfaces, try this product and you'll be satisfied. Apply this spackle with a putty knife or the flat end of the tube. It takes just a few minutes to dry. Gently sand it to create a smooth surface and paint over it to match the nearby wood. If you need to fill nail and screw holes you've made with your anchors, get this product. It's easy to use even if you have zero experience filling nail holes. It may be the best nail hole filler you'll ever use. For professional results, buy actual sandpaper and your walls will be flawless. What we liked most. Ease of use. It covers small nail holes like a beast. It's sandable. You can paint over it. What could be improved? It's too thick that getting the stuff out can be challenging, but it's for a good course. Number 2. Erase-A-Hole 4501 Putty for Nail Holes. If you need to quickly fill small nail holes and gaps in walls with a simple applicator, this product could be perfect. It enables you to effortlessly upgrade your home or apartment and get your down payment quickly if you're low on cash. This product is terrific for restoring drywall, wall plaster, and finished wood holes. Because it is so simple to use, you will finish repairing in minutes, and college kids or first-time property owners will be able to renovate drywall without using special tools. This is a wall putty for filling holes, but it is also ideal for plaster repair. Just apply in a circular motion, then wipe with a damp cloth before painting. You don't have to depend on someone else to touch up those ugly holes for you. You'll do it yourself, save a few dollars, and get some experience. If you have a hole in the drywall from a removed wall anchor, this product will cover it with minimal muss or fuss and without any special equipment. Keenly follow the direction on the can, smooth it out with the cap edge, and it will be perfect. Use it to repair damaged drywall, and it will fill the dent. What we liked most. Ease of use. No need for special tools. Resists cracking and shrinking. Paintable and sandable. Dries quickly. What could be improved? Can be messy. Number 3. Bondo 20082 Putty for Nail Holes. Most DIY hobbyists and professional handypersons prefer multipurpose wood filler. This could be a fantastic match if you are similar to them. Use the product to make quick, durable repairs on types of wood floors. As a result, you can use it to restore hardwood floors and restore rotted wood. It is the best wood filler for filling nail holes. Another appealing feature of this product is that it dries in just 15 minutes, enabling you to sand it in as little time as possible. After filing, it will take you just 25 minutes to prepare it for painting. The Bondo Home Solutions wood is ideal for anyone who values efficacy and time. To make long-lasting repairs, mix it first. It will never shrink or crack, and because it is water-based, you can safely use it for indoor and outdoor maintenance. When cured, the whole filler for wood behaves like natural wood. You can sand it and paint it just like regular wood. The water-based wood filler absorbs stains and paints so well that the repaired area is barely noticeable. Because it is water-based, it does not emit a foul odor when used and does not endanger the environment or your health. The product dries quickly, allowing you to finish your project faster and focus on other things. What we liked most. It provides long-lasting repairs that will not shrink or sag. It is suitable for both interior and exterior use. It is easy to stain, sand, and paint. It is waterproof. It dries quickly. What could be improved? It's challenging to mix the filler appropriately. Short work time due to quick drying time. What could be improved? The rest is a bit flimsy. Assembly is very sensitive. Number 4. JB Weld 8257 Putty for Nail Holes. JB Weld 8257 is a unique custom blend for repairing missing wood chunks. The wood putty is suitable for all types of wood, including natural pine. So it is the go-to option for various household repairs. Once mixed, the putty binds at 900 psi and will not rot or shrink. So, it's a solid material for making durable repairs. When you stain or sand, it'll imitate all the properties of natural wood. You could use it for home repairs, holes, and other cover flaws in the wood. Also, use it to replace small pieces of missing wood. This product is simple to use, in addition to being fast drying. You cannot pour it into cracks or small holes. It is suitable for filling surface level gaps due to its thick plastic consistency. The filler is an excellent choice for external wood filling. Since it is an epoxy filler, get the mixing ratio right the first time. Don't pinch it, instead, cut it with a knife. Cut as much as you can use within 10 minutes because it becomes less pliable with time. Mix it extensively and ensure you're through in 2 minutes. There should be no contrasting colors. Avoid touching it once it's in the right place, and wait for at least 1 hour before exposing it to high stress. Return the remains to their original can and tightly seal them. What we liked most. It cures and sets quickly. It behaves like wood once cured. It sticks to various surfaces. It's simple to use. What could be improved? Only suitable for small projects. It is not appropriate for internal use. Number 5. Bananfors FDW 9098U Putty for Nail Holes. Adfors by Ban Fix It Fast is the perfect solution for quick and straightforward wall repairs. Because of the innovative design, the compound can flow straight from the putty knife to effortlessly fill small holes caused by nails and screws. Fix It Fast can also fill dents and scratches or flaws in walls or plaster. This filler is quick and easy to apply. After using, you'll find that it blends into your white matte wall well. You can hardly tell there was previous damage. This product has a built-in putty knife that makes your work easy without additional tools. Another great feature of this product is that it is resealable so that you can store it for future use. You can easily clean the built-in putty knife with a wet towel before you reseal and store it. It may shrink a little when it dries and, therefore, you may need to do some touch-ups. You do not need to do any sanding when using this product. It is ideal for interior use only. What we liked most. Easy to use. It comes in a resealable pack. It perfectly blends into your wall. Dries quickly. It comes with an inbuilt putty knife. It does not need sanding. Ideal for interior use. What could be improved? May shrink after drying.